Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to block a song in Spotify. So let's get started. At first, let's go to Spotify app. So here it is. Now we need to search for the song we want to hide or block. So let's go to our library and click on the playlist from which you want to block a song. So let's tap on this one and search for the song you want to hide. So let's say this is a song I want to block. So let's tap on these three dots in the right. So let's tap here and click on hide this song. So finally your song is hidden. Now if you want to unhide it again, you can simply tap on this sign over here and it's undone. So that's it. This is all you need to do to block a song in Spotify. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.